Hello everyone, this is Nidhi here. In this video, we will explore how we can encrypt and decrypt files using GPG. GPG is a free encryption software which is used to encrypt the secrets and that can be shared with anybody. So why we need to do the encryption? We need to do the encryption so that we'll not share the direct password via email or the communicator. If I have to share the database password, then how will I share it in case it's needed? So we'll see how we can use the GPG and in day-to-day activities, how we can share the secrets with our team members. So first thing you need to do the download. You need to download this software. I'm doing it on Windows, so just download this software. You will get the exe file, install it with all the default settings. Once the installation is complete, you will see this screen. The first thing you have to do you need to generate the new key pair. So you will generate this new key pair. You can provide any details. It is not necessary that you will provide your right details. And here is the passphrase that you need to provide. You need to remember this so you can store it somewhere in case you forgot it. This is the passphrase that you will be using while you decrypt any files or encrypt anything. And this is how you will get this, like your key pair is successfully created. So then you will do the backup of this key pair. This will store two files. One is your private key and one is your public key. Public key you can share with your users or with anybody so that they can share any secrets with you. But private key must not be shared by anybody else. So let's see now how we can share the secrets. So now I have a password, suppose ABCD. I want to share it with one user. How will I do that? So first thing what you have to do, you need to import the public key of the user. So once this installed, this is called like a Kleopatra. Once it's installed, it looks like this. So first thing what we have to do is import the public key. So this is just an example of one user. I have the public key of this user. So I will just import it. You will get this message and here it looks like that. Okay. Now I need to share some secrets with that user. Then how would I do that? So you can have one notepad plus plus open and just an example. This is Nidhi. This is my secret. I want to share it. So I'll copy it and I'll go there, and this is the tool section, and in the clipboard there is an option of encrypt. You will do the encrypt and add recipient. You can select any recipient, click OK and click next, and you can see encryption succeeded. Click OK. And now in your notepad plus plus you can open the another tab and you can see, so this is the message. It is in encrypted form. You can share it with the user and he would be able to decrypt this message and see it what you have sent. So this is the first step, how you can share it, right? The next step is how, so this is the first step. Now we will see how we can decrypt, how I can open that
You will
encrypted
click on
text.
this
That is
notepad
very
and in
easy.
this notepad you will just
So this is the key. This is the encrypted message that I got from my user, from anyone user. So I can just copy it here, okay, and I will click on decrypt. It will prompt me for my passphrase as I mentioned before, and you can do this. Click OK and you can see that this got decrypted. So this is how you can do the decryption and the encryption.